I'd like to introduce you to a system that's unique to Canada Mortgage Direct and responsible for saving Canadians thousands in unnecessary interest costs. Mortgage freedom is just around the corner if you're willing to have a Canada Mortgage Direct planner working for you. May I ask you a strikingly simple question? When looking back, what changes would you have made to your current mortgage position? What new choices would you make moving forward? Would you like to pay your mortgage off faster? Would you like simple yet effective mortgage strategies to help build your retirement nest egg? Would you like someone to watch the right economic indicators and adjust your mortgage so you can save more money? Now, imagine how you'd feel if your mortgage was paid off many years faster. What would it feel like to stop throwing all that money at the banks and instead putting it back into your pocket? Here's the kicker. What I'm suggesting has little to do with interest rate. Let's take the Smiths. They approached their bank for a $400,000 mortgage and negotiated the rate down to 3.29% for a 5-year fixed term. Now, if the Smiths made their $1,953 payment each month, at the end of their 5-year term, their balance would be $343,782. The Smiths then sat down with a Canada Mortgage Direct planner for the same $400,000 5-year fixed term at 3.29%, and their monthly payment began the same at $1,953. But wait, it gets better. With the use of our unique strategies, forecasting models, and proactive planning, the Smiths' balance at maturity could be reduced to $331,028. Now that's a reduction of $12,754 over and above their bank's do-nothing strategy. Yet the rate remained the same. What could you do with an extra $12,754? If you prefer an adjustable rate mortgage, we have strategies and forecasting models for that too. Oh, and if you're worried about payment shock due to higher interest rates in the future, not to worry, we have you protected. Benjamin Franklin once said, "By failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail." And we'll leave you with one last but powerful quote. A goal without a plan is just a wish. We would encourage you to take a few minutes, key in a few details about your mortgage, and click Calculate. Feel free to send yourself the complimentary report for your review. We look forward to hearing from you. There is life after your mortgage.